Hi, my name is Vijay. I have been associating with JetKing. It's more than 8 years of time, and currently I'm working with Infosys on as a technology lead in the cloud and FI platform. What is this about program is having career opportunities in terms of hardware and networking, and it has really huge demand in terms of ITSM, that's called as IT infrastructure service management. The students who are from the graduations background, maybe from BA, BCom or BSc, or maybe a diploma graduate, or maybe BTech, which streams where they are having it. There is a huge growth in hardware and networking, and JetKing gives you the aspect and that kind of platform to make your career. The kind of methodology JetKing has, kind of training courses, the trainers which have the course material which they really teach is really the cutting edge of this IT field. It gives a lot of learning in terms of technology, in terms of career growth, professional attitude, including your yoga, personality development, spoken English. So if you come out of the JetKing, it's like a product wherein you will be having all the field are ready to go either in any of the field which you choose it. So I really say that JetKing has impacted around millions of lives in Indian, particularly they are going with the overseas also. So it's a right way to have a career with the JetKing.